One of the biggest questions that I get asked as the CEO here at Champion Solar is, will solar be a good fit for my business? Why don't you let our client speak for themselves?
So I'm Dan Custer, Custer Properties LLC. Started out in 2000 acquiring ramshackle apartment buildings in Dallas Inner Core. Started out with a 9-unit. We got that one finished and I kind of got bit by the bug. Bought a 77 unit, 152 unit in Fort Worth and started spreading from there. At that point, I decided I wanted to go into commercial. And then after that, I did the office buildings as well. Champion approached me originally. Warren came out and presented a program where I could reduce my consumption, do our own production, create our own basically solar energy company. And I was very enticed by the idea. I thought it sounded great. The system that Warren developed that we came up with jointly has increased the bottom line by cutting our consumption. So probably about 30%. Adding the solar has really increased the ambiance here on the property. Warren and I came up with an idea to add covered parking. And on top of that covered parking, we would add additional solar panels. So we gave a nice incentive to the tenants and an additional amenity and helped me kind of upgrade the building itself. Increasing the property value probably close to $1 million with additional carports and the panels on both properties. The system has really outperformed what Warren originally projected. I think we're close to 40% savings now on the electric. There was a large incentive at the time that really made the decision easy. Warren handled a rebate program through Encore, the public utility, close to 1/3, I think about 32% of the overall cost. So anytime you get a partner to come in and say, hey, we're going to kick in 1/3 of the cost of your building improvements, it's a no-brainer. I would absolutely recommend Warren with Champion. Been very accessible. Anytime we had any issues pop up, little things with wiring and cables and any kind of thing like that, he's been extremely prompt on getting us coverage and standing behind the job. He's done just a great job, and it's nice to see him on the property frequently, checking on the system.